Hey guys, how's it going? Today's your boy LetsGoBJones, and today I have another amazing video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing another amazing makeup unboxing. Today's brand is going to be VT Cosmetics once again. And before I start this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and do all that good stuff because it really does help support the channel. So let's get it. Before I start this video, I want to give a shout out to my Kimmy. They just sent me some new clothes. So I literally just got this shirt and I just got the box from VT. So this is the shirt from my Kimmy. And they also just sent me a bag. Pretty cool bag, you guys. But let's get to the video. Okay, you guys, VT Cosmetics just sent me this box. If you guys know, I said previously, I just did the fashion campaign with them, and here are those photos. And here's the video.
디자이너 축으로 예쁘게 만들었어요.
약간 건성이어가지고 좋았던 것 같습니다.
I expected to be something very refreshing that everyone could use and it would like clear your skin, basically.
브러쉬 느낌이 있어서 VT Cosmetics
Super Hyalon.
기대해주세요.
Great. We're gonna start this unboxing off by unboxing this product. It is the new Super Hyalon. So before I start this, I know that the new concept of this product is for it to be genderless. So men and women can both use this product and it doesn't matter. Anybody can use it. And oh yes, Sondok went to the tanning place today. She went to go get a tan. So that's why she is not in this video, you guys. I don't know what's in this box. Okay. Here you guys go right here. Check this amazing box out. Look at all this great stuff that's in it. Jeez, they sent me so much stuff. Making an unboxing video for VT Cosmetics, yeah. So what do we got right here? So we have a lot of stuff in this box. So let's check it out. So the first product we have is the Super Hyalon GH8 Foam Cleanser. I'm actually excited to get this because we just ran out of foam cleanser like 2 days ago. And do you guys know the charcoal mask thing? I've been using that charcoal mask thing as my foam cleanser and my skin has broken out a little bit. So we got one amazing product right here, which is the foam cleanser. I cannot wait to use this. What else we got in here? Super Hyalon Eye Pad. High enriched eye pad. Intensive moisture system. Moisturizing, soothing, hydration. GH8 VT Cosmetics. Check that out, you guys. You can see the reflection of my camera. Let's keep going here. Okay, we got a nice bag. Check this bag out, you guys. Here you go. I remember shooting the campaign, it was really different, it was really cool. The people we used in the campaign, they were influencers, models, actors, just a variety of people, everybody of different color, different races. There was a black girl, there was a French girl, there was a Korean guy, a Russian girl, and a Latino guy. I don't want to say what country because if I said the wrong country, Then we have this. I don't know what this is, you guys. So let's open it. Ah, it's a sticker pack. So we got all these type of stickers here. I can put this on my MacBook and put it around the house. What else is in here? This is pretty cool. It's all packaged nice. And I got check this out, Super Hyalon. I guess it's a wallet? Yeah. As you guys know, Sondok, Sora, I'm never going to see this again. She's going to take it. I'm guaranteeing you that. She's taking this. Yeah. And we got a button, right? It's morphin' time. That's pretty cool. And there's like a mirror on it. It's a mirror. It's not a button, it's a mirror. And it's pretty big. I should put this in my makeup bag because I don't have a mirror and sometimes I have to do my makeup. My skin looks really fresh right now. I just went and got a skin treatment. I haven't been eating well, so I've been breaking out. What? What is this? This is the VT Super Hyalon Ampule. What does this do? I honestly don't know what this does. I'm going to have to ask Sora when she comes to explain what this is. But let's check this out. There's a lot of stuff in this box. You guys, there's like 5 more things in this box. I'm so excited. The previous stuff they sent me was really good. It was really good. I used the eye patch because I suffer from dark circles so bad. Like, it's really bad. I don't know if it's my diet or if I don't sleep or if I don't drink enough water, but I have really bad dark circles. And my skin always is fluctuating because I'm always in that predicament of I'm shooting and I gotta go to another shoot. I don't have time to eat. So what am I gonna eat? The only thing that's available is McDonald's. So then I eat McDonald's and then McDonald's makes me break out. But if I don't eat, I'm gonna be grumpy on set and then no one's gonna wanna work with me. So I'm always in that stress. Okay, so we got a triple threat box right here. Let's check this out, you guys. 3 things are in this? Ooh, super, we got the cream. I don't know where this cream goes, but I know this is probably gonna go on my face. So let's check this out right here. We got some cream. We got some cream. I got some. I'm gonna become a singer, you guys. Ready? VT Cosmetics. Yeah. I got some cream. Ooh, and we got some more sleeping masks. This is the sleeping mask. So I still have the sleeping mask from before, but I got some more. So I had, what is it? They sent the bumblebee juice. I got the bumblebee juice, which you put on before you sleep. I got the sleeping mask. And what else we got? Oh man, I'm happy now. I got a full thing. I've been stealing her products because my products ran out. So I'm excited to try these to see if these help fix my skin. So we got some face mask. We're gonna open that up in a minute. Well, we have one more product to unbox. Let's unbox this right now. You guys ready? Let's do it together. Let's do it together. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay. There's 6 in here. How long does it last? And it's kind of like squishy. It's like a Tide Pod, but don't eat these. There's no smell. I'm excited to try these out, you guys. And this is an ampoule. So you use it after toner, but before emulsion. What? Dude, they sent me a whole box. They sent a whole box. Check this out. Check this out. The Super Hyalon skincare pack. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. I gotta open all this stuff up. I gotta open all this stuff up. I'm excited. I am excited, you guys. So right now, you guys, we're gonna open up this box, okay? There's a lot of stuff in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what it's saying. There's 5 things are gonna be in this box. Okay, let's open this box. VT Cosmetics, 고맙습니다. So we took it out. It's in the next box. So then you gotta open it from this side. Woo! Okay. We got 4 things in here. So we have, we got the to-go pack. So we got the emulsion, a big bottle of emulsion. Then we got the skin booster, big bottle, 250, 300 mils. Then we have a smaller one, the travel pack. We got the travel pack emulsion. We got the travel pack skin booster. But then what is, oh gosh, I don't want to break it. I want to know what this is. Check this out, you guys. Look how big those are. Oh my God, I almost dropped it. Look how big this is. I want to know what that is. Oh wait, where's the box? It'll tell me on the box. Cream. It's the cream. It's the smaller version of the cream. So that's really cool. I have a mini cream. I got a big cream, a big emulsion, a small emulsion, big skin booster, small skin booster. You makeup people, the people that use makeup and skincare on the regular, what order should I be using these products? That's my question to you guys. I got the ampoule, I got the emulsion, skin booster, cream. I also have the Cica line cream. And I got the eye patches too. I just want to know, what do I use when I wake up? I wash my face then I guess it's emulsion, ampule, booster, then cream. And then I put the sunscreen on. And then before I go to bed, I wash my face again. I put all this stuff on, and then I can either put on the skin mask, the face mask, plus the Sika eye patch. You can do that, or you can do the Super H version. That's what I'm thinking. If I'm wrong, leave in the comments below, because I'm always down to learn. I always want to learn more about the skincare. Anyways, back to the video. Yeah, you guys, that's the unboxing. Anyways, you guys, if you guys like these type of videos, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave in the comments below what your favorite product is. If you were to buy this product, which one would you buy? I remember checking on the website, this stuff is super affordable. Would you buy this starter pack bundle, or would you buy the other stuff? You guys, there's so much stuff. I can't carry it. Oh, there's even more. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and like always, fighting